ओडिशा बुक चैनल रे समस्त को स्वागतम। 2024 रो इम्पोर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आम आलोचना करने पूर्व जाना जे 2022 मसीहा माने आम जानू जे गोटे ईयर पर क्वेश्चन सब आम रिपीट हुए जमी 2022 टा 24 21 23 18 20 यहीपरिका कि जो 2022 मसीहा बेलू आम एग्जाम कौन होता ना एसए 1 एसए 2 पड़ूला। तेणु यही वर्ष जो 2024 मसीहा आमर जो 2022 रे एसए 1 रे जहाँ सब आसाला एवं एसए 2 रे जहाँ सब आसाला से गुड़ा सब निहाती भाव इम्पोर्टाट। जदि आम ओडिया एमसीक्यू रे देखिबा जदि आम ओडिया एमसीक्यू रे भी देखिबा ताहले भी प्राय से जो 2022 रो एसए 2 एग्जाम अच्छी से 10टा खंडे क्वेश्चन रिपीट होती। तेणु 2024 रो इंग्लिश 2022 मसीह कौन आसाला से इम्पोर्टाट रहा। चलो आम जाना केतोटी इम्पोर्टाट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन ये आम एक नंबर क्वेश्चन अच्छी व्हाट डिड गांधी वेरी जेलसली गार्ड आंसर हे हिज कैरेक्टर। तापर से बेरका 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन अच्छी व्हाट डू टीयर्स फ्रॉम गांधीज आईज आंसर हे द लास्ट मोरल डिफेक्ट। 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डिड लेंचो फील व्हेन ही काउंटेड द मनी आंसर हे ए ही बिकेम एंग्री कौन पैना किसी शॉर्ट थिला। 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन होम डिड लेंचो हैव डीप फेथ आंसर हे बी गॉड भगवान को ऊपर तार अतुट विश्वास थिला। 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द सिंगल होप इन द हार्ट्स ऑफ ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ लेंचोस फैमिली आंसर इज ए हेल्प फ्रॉम गॉड भगवान ताको निहाती भाबे सहाय्य करिवे ए आशाटा ताको परिवार लोकंकर थिला। 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट वर लेंचोस स्मॉलर चिल्ड्रन डूइंग अंटिल देयर मदर कॉल्ड देम टू डिनर आंसर हे प्लेइंग नियर द हाउस। 7 नंबर व्हिच केम डायरेक्टली इन द वे ऑफ गांधी सर्विंग हिज फादर आंसर हे कंपल्सरी एक्सरसाइज। 8 number Lynch's solitary house was situated where? Answer on the crest of a low hill. 9 number according to Gandhi, a man of truth should be dash, a man of care. 10 number question Gandhi retained his false notion about handwriting until he went to England. 11 number where according to C.F. Alexander do we play in the meadows आमे कोठी खेलु पड़िया रे। 12 number what according to C.F. Alexander has God given to the little birds teeny wings God ताहले हमरो little bird मान को डेना देछंती। 13 number whose voice according to William Wordsworth is thrilling in springtime cuckoos। 14 number where according to Wordsworth do the tired travelers take a rest answer is B in some oasis among the Arabian deserts। 15 number question what kind of song is the solitary reaper singing answer is B melancholy। 16 number the solitary reaper was singing by herself। where do roses grow answer is by the water। 18 number the two seasons described in the poem all things bright and beautiful are the summer and the winter। 19 number Wordsworth says that the girl's song may be related to some dash sorrow loss or pain answer is C natural। 20 number Wordsworth wore the thrilling sound of river song in his heart। 21 number who gave milk to Timothy in a feeding bottle answer is Muhammad the cook ताको रोसेटा देइथिला। 22 number what was Timothy's favorite place in house answer is drawing room। 23 number what did the grandfather used to do whenever Timothy growled answer he would smack his across the mouth B। Next 24 number Timothy was glad to have the tempting diet of dash answer pigeons and rabbits। 25 number Toto was bold enough to pull Timothy by the tail। 26 number what made the beggar stop drinking answer is C Olga's kind words and noble deeds। 27 number Sergei engaged the beggar in the work of chopping wood। 28 number where did Sergei meet first the beggar answer is in Sadabha street B। 29 number how much did Laskaf earn for month as a notary answer is 35 rubles। 30 number Sergei was a or an dash by profession an advocate। 31 number, the rumor that our headmaster is leaving school is true. The underlined clause is a noun clause functioning as an expression in opposition to a noun phrase. 32 number, state which of the following is grammatically acceptable. Answer about what an intelligent girl she is. 33 number, the flower smells sweet. The underlined part of the sentence function as the complement of a verb. 34 number, waste not, want not. The above sentence is a compound sentence. 35 number, let's go on a picnic. In the above sentence, the subject is we. This is a very beautiful movie. In this sentence is turned into an exclamatory sentence. Which of the following will be grammatically acceptable? What a beautiful movie this is. Answer is B. 37 number, the jury dash divided on this issue. Answer is OR. कहीं ना jury सब बड़े टा plural यूज हुए तो OR. 38 number, his brothers as well as his uncle responsible for his uncle ए प्रकार dash रे लगी वो R. 39 number, the governor and chancellor of the university dash been invited to the function. Answer is has. कहीं ना governor जे chancellor भी सी है तो वो singular बुझे वो तो answer है वो has. 40 number, not only the boy but also his friends are plural अच्छे are equally guilty. 41 number, my father who is working at Karafut is a doctor. The underlined word is a non-defining relative clause. 42 number, I write with the pen which my brother gave me. All depends on how the work is done. Pick out the noun clause which the above sentence. How the work is done is here. How the work is done हबो इठारे noun clause. 44 number, what was the notice you were looking at? 45 number, this is the point in the film dash we came in. Answer about where. 46 number, Sumit went to college on a scooty. 47 number, his brother works on a farm. 48, the work should be finished by Sunday. Ghee is made from milk. What is the best cure for cold? एगुड़ा सब प्रिपोजिशन रो क्वेश्चन आछे एपरिके एगुड़ी को सब थिला तमरा इंपोर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन यदि वीडियो भल लागछि तबे लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करंतु एवं कमेंट करबा को जमानु भूलंतु नाही थैंक यू।